Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install iPhone status bar on your Android phone or your Samsung Galaxy phone. You got that right. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, guys, and once you're inside your Play Store, you want to search for status bar icon hider here, and as you can see, and you will find the status bar icon hider here. You want to go ahead and tap on it and install it. Right, so I'm going to allow mine a moment to install. So after the application is installed, go ahead and open the application, guys. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on start. Now you want to go ahead and accept those permissions here. And then from here, you want to go ahead and you want to turn on modify settings. Then go ahead and allow the permission here. Go back, and you also want to do it for the accessibility service. Now from here, click on install apps, and you want to click on the custom status bar. You want to go ahead and turn this on and click on allow. Then you want to go all the way back to the status bar, guys, and from here you want to click on status bar. Now once you click on status bar, click on allow here, and from here you want to enable the status custom bar there and click on allow. Now from here you want to ensure that you turn on custom status bar. Click on allow again and then go back. Now from here you can click on styles, guys, and once you click on styles, go ahead and you can choose the iOS status bar and have a look at that. And now you can see that I'm now rocking the iPhone status bar. And also you can use the status bar height to modify the height. As you can see, if you look at the status bar, the more I move it to the right, the more the height is getting. So you can really customize this, guys, and use the iPhone status bar the way you like. Hope you found value within this, guys, and go ahead and check this out. And if you like it, give this video a like. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out when I release future videos just like this one.